Hello viewers, in today's video, we will talk about the ultimate guide on how to mix and match home decor styles like a designer. Mixing and matching home decor styles can be a daunting task, but when done right, it creates a unique and personalized space that reflects your taste and personality. Whether you're drawn to the clean lines of modern design, the warmth of traditional elements, or the eclectic charm of boho, combining different styles can make your home truly one of a kind. In this ultimate guide to modern home decor, we'll explore how to blend various design styles like a pro, ensuring a cohesive and stylish look that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Start with a dominant style. When mixing home decor styles, it's essential to choose a dominant style as the foundation of your design. This will help maintain a sense of cohesion throughout your space. For instance, if you love modern design, you might start with a minimalist neutral base, which could include sleek furniture, clean lines, and a muted color palette. You can then layer in other elements like a traditional rug, rustic wood accents, or artisan textiles without overwhelming the space. Balance is key. Balance is crucial when combining different styles. You don't want one style to overpower the others, resulting in a disjointed look. Achieve balance by distributing elements from each style evenly throughout the room. For example, if you're mixing modern and traditional styles, you might pair a contemporary sofa with a classic coffee table or hang a vintage mirror above a modern console. The goal is to create a harmonious blend where each style complements the other rather than competes with it. Use a cohesive color palette. A cohesive color palette is one of the easiest ways to tie different design styles together. Choose a color scheme that works well across all styles you're incorporating. Neutral colors such as whites, grays, and beiges often serve as a great base, allowing you to mix in bolder colors through accessories, artwork, or accent pieces. For instance, if you're blending modern and boho styles, you might opt for a neutral wall color and then add pops of color with bohemian throw pillows, modern art, or a vibrant rug. Incorporate textures and patterns. Textures and patterns play a significant role in mixing and matching styles. They add depth and interest to your space, helping to unify different elements. When combining styles, don't be afraid to mix different textures, like pairing a smooth leather sofa with a chunky knit throw, or a sleek metal coffee table with a plush patterned rug. Patterns, too, can bridge the gap between styles. For instance, a geometric rug, modern, can complement floral throw pillows, traditional, creating a visually appealing contrast. Blend old and new. One of the hallmarks of a well-designed mixed-style space is the seamless integration of old and new pieces. This approach adds character and a sense of history to your home. For example, you might pair a vintage chandelier with a modern dining table. This mix of old and new creates a dynamic and layered look, making your home feel curated rather than decorated. Focus on functionality. While aesthetics are important, functionality should never be overlooked. When blending styles, consider how each piece will function in your space. For example, a modern minimalist sofa might be paired with a traditional ornate side table. Personalize your space. Lastly, don't forget to infuse your personality into your decor. Personal items such as family photos, travel souvenirs, or handmade artwork can help tie together different styles and make your space feel uniquely yours. These personal touches are what truly make a house a home, adding warmth and individuality to your design. In conclusion, create your unique style. Mixing and matching home decor styles is an art form that, when done correctly, can elevate your space to new heights. By following these tips, starting with a dominant style, balancing different elements, using a cohesive color palette, incorporating textures and patterns, blending old and new, focusing on functionality and personalizing your space, you can create a home that's not only stylish, but also a true reflection of your personality. Embrace the freedom to experiment and have fun with your design. After all, your home should be as unique as you are. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks.